Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to solve a problem, maxima and minima from December 2025 CM question paper. Okay, and I'll quickly run through a concept which involved in this question, and we'll quickly solve the problem. Very simple problem only. The concept we have to know will help us to solve other problems also. Other kind of these problems also we'll be able to solve after this. Okay. What is maxima and minima? Every organization goal will be maximizing the profits, minimizing the cost. The in this chapter we will be studying how to do will be chapter how to do maximization of profit and minimization of cost using differential calculus method. What is differential calculus? Differential calculus involves the dependent and independent variable. Let's not know deep dive into the concept. Just overall what we have to know is differential calculus involves one single variable, which is x only, multiple variable, both x and y involves here. Okay, if x only occurs, the problem will be simple. This problem is also only x variable only involves. So if the what we have to know is, if x power 4 or x power 3 comes, no, we have to take the x into take the power as constant, and reduce the power minus 1. Okay, which is 3x power 2. This is what we have to know. Then for the first derivation and for the first derivation, so we'll be doing this. And then as we already know, in costing, the total revenue will be for any sales will be the price multiplies with number of units, and the total cost is total fixed cost plus total variable cost. Total profit will be, okay, total profit will be for profit we'll use pi value, pi symbol. So total profit is equal to total revenue minus total cost. We'll be using these formulas to frame a equation, and in case of quadratic equation, sometimes we'll end up with a quadratic equation. At the time we have to know how to split the equation into 2x. Split the equations and get the x value. So if x square plus x plus c is the comes, no, that will be treated as a square plus b square, sorry, a square plus b plus c. So c is constant, so we'll keep the c as it is. We have to find the discriminant using the formula d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Once we find the discriminant, we have to apply the quadratic formula to split the equation into two solutions, which is x one value, x two value. It will be end up like this. Okay, then x is equal to minus b plus or minus. We have to do one time for plus, we have to do one time for minus. We have to do for both, then we'll get the 2x values. That's it. So this is the thing we have to know for this question. Once we know, we'll ready for the question to solve. Okay, let's quickly take up the question. What they are asking is, Sutan Limited manufacturing company can sell x items of a product at a price of x items, okay, and the price of, they have given the price, okay, price is equal to 3x square minus 3x plus 6 5. Okay, this is the sale price they have given, and they have also given the cost is equal to x cube plus 60x square plus 8x, right? They have given the selling price as well as they have given the cost. So what we have to do is, we have got the two equations 1 2. What they have asked in the question is x being the output. Okay, x is the output level, analyze the number of items Sutan Limited should sell to make the maximum profit. Sutan Limited should sell to make maximum profit. Okay, number of items we have to find out, and then we have to that number of items will give us the maximum profit. Okay, and then assess the maximum profit Sutan Limited can earn from the product. Okay, we have to also calculate the maximum profit that Sutan Limited can earn. Okay, so let's solve the equation. We got the two equation. So okay, what have told us, when you get the total revenue, total cost, or total profit, any kind of information or sub information you got, you frame the equation, no? So what we have got here, sale price minus cost we get, we'll get the total profit. So what they have asked is also total profit only. So we'll frame the equation for total profit. To calculate the total profit, we have to set these two equations similar. Okay, because one is in cube, one is in square, so we can't know directly compare the values. So what we have to do is we multiply this value into x. Sp is equal to 3x cube, it will become 3x square, it will become, and 656x. Okay, cost is equal to remains the same, x cube plus 60x square plus 8x, right, minus it. Okay, we'll get the total profit, which is total profit. Okay, 2x 3x cube minus x cube will become 2x cube minus 63x square, then 656 minus 8, which is 248x plus 248x. We frame the equation. Okay, we got the equation for total profit. Then what we have to do is we have to take up the first order derivative. What I have told you, whenever the x value comes, no, you have to derive the x, no, like this. Okay, let's do this. Zero is equal to 2x cube minus 63x square plus 648x. Y 0 is derivative of derivative by dx is equal to 0 only, so we are making it here 0. Okay, the equations become 0. What you have to do is 2x square, no, 2x cube, no, 2 into 3x power 2 minus 63, 2x plus 64, x becomes 1. Okay, x power 1 is 1, right? This is what apply. If there is any constant value, it becomes 0. That's it. Okay, so 6x square minus 63 into 2, which is 126x plus 648, the equation we found. Okay, with the first order derivative itself, we have to get the x value, but we couldn't find the x value here because the x is still having the power. So what we have to do is we have to simplify and use the discriminant and quadratic formula. This is the quadratic equation. When it comes like this, we have to apply the discriminant and apply the quadratic equation formula. Okay, all are divisible by 6, so let's quickly divide by 6. X square 126 21x plus 108. Okay, so this is a square minus bx plus c. What's the formula for discriminant? B square. Okay, b is equal to b square minus 4ac. B is how much? Minus 21x. Okay, minus 4a is 1, c is 108. A is equal to 4 into 108, which is 432, which is 9 is the discriminant value we got. So using this discriminant value, we are going to apply this with the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is what? X is equal to b, x is equal to c. This quadratic formula will not contain the constant value, so we will be having only b, a and d. So how the formula is going to get framed is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root d divisible by 2a. This is the formula. Okay, so what is b? B is 21. Okay, we'll use first plus root of d is how much? 9 divisible by 2 into a is how much? 1. 21 plus root of 9 is 3. 21 plus 3 is equal to 24 divisible by 2, which is 12. Okay, we'll do the process, repeat the process with minus d. Sorry. Divisible by 2, which is 9. So x gets 9. So we have two values, x is equal to 9, x is equal to 12. So what the equation is? Total profit is equal to 2x cube minus 63x square. Wait, yes, this is the equation, right? If x is equal to 9, cube minus 63 9 square plus 648 into 9. Seven 29 into 2 1458 minus 263, which is 5103 plus 648 into 9, which is 5832. 1458 minus 5103 plus 5832, which is 2187. If x is equal to 9, if x is equal to 12, total profit will be 2 into 12 cube minus 63 into 12 square plus 648 into 12. 12 into 12 into 12, which is 3456. 12 into 12 into 63, 9072 plus 7776. 3456 minus 9072 plus 7776, which is 2160. So if the number of units is 9, the profit will be 2187. If the number of units is 12, the profit is 2160. So as we so this is most preferable. We solved all the questions. We have solved all the requirements. Number of units we found, and we also found the maximum profit to earn the product. Yes, that's it. The problem is over. Thank you.